Hello and welcome to a really nice day here in Woodley, and a good day to show you a really nice house. That's this one in front of you, number 73 Beechwood Avenue. It's a 3-bedroom semi-detached house which has been extended, and it has a fantastic plot. Big back garden, very big frontage, which I'll show you in just a moment, and also location, non-estate location. We are literally within, I'm guessing, 300 or 400 yards of Woodley shopping centre. All the other amenities are close by, so I've just spun round here to show you the frontage. Now, the actual garden for this property doesn't quite go up to the road, but it gets close. But we're set well back from the road, as you can see. To the right hand side, Beechwood Avenue there, that takes you off to Woodley Centre, and to the left hand side takes you towards Winnersh School, and also you can access through to Earley and then off to Reading Town Centre in that direction. So the property itself, let's just spin round. We've got so much potential to make more parking here. You can see the driveway to the garage, further parking to the side there, and also the access slightly pea-shingled. The door between the house and garage, just in the distance there, that's the kitchen door, so you can access the kitchen there. Let's take you inside and show you the property internally. So the windows are all double glazed sealed unit windows and doors. The heating is gas central heating with a combination boiler that's been replaced. So the entrance hall, you can first of all see this very nice oak panelled flooring, staircase to the first floor with a cupboard under. I'm just going to spin round and show you, because actually we have a porch here, but the open doorway taking you into this entrance hall. So the entrance hall gives you access through to the kitchen and also the lounge. So let's start in the lounge. So front aspect, very nice focal point. As you can see in front of me there, we have a wood burner, and I'm just going to step into the room and spin round. Let me just show you the view we've got from this lounge window. Not many properties in Woodley like this am I selling or have sold that have a view from the front quite like that. Again, the oak panelled flooring flows through. In fact, the whole of the ground floor has the same flooring. So that's the lounge. Spinning round, here is the dining room. Now, this was originally the kitchen and dining room, so that's why it's so big. As you can see, space for an even larger table than the current owners have, but equally more space for furniture, potentially two-seater settee, maybe a little sitting area. You can see the French doors ahead of me there take you into the garden. We've also got a window there as well. And then just spinning round, door taking you to the kitchen. I'm just going to spin around a bit further to show you there's access through to the hallway from the dining room. So let's show you the kitchen. Very nicely finished, consistent with the whole house really. Nice modern kitchen with a built-in oven, 4-in gas hob. We've got an integrated dishwasher to the right of the sink there. There's a door taking you onto the patio into the rear garden. Let's just give you an idea of the view from this window. Super view. The houses over the back are a long way away. In fact, they are bungalows backing onto this property, but they've also got equally large gardens. So focusing on the kitchen, there's the sink unit there, washing machine space there with the plumbing, I dare say. Work surface with drawers, base units under, range of eye-level units, as you can see there. Really good storage, and then there's also an additional cupboard with another work surface just to my left there, and space for a fridge freezer. So that is the ground floor. Let's now take you upstairs and let's show you the first floor. Here we have the landing, staircase there from the entrance hall, window on the right hand side behind the blind. Now, I wouldn't normally show you cupboards whilst I'm, or inside cupboards whilst I'm doing the videos, but today I'm going to show you this one because this one is the airing cupboard. A light comes on automatically, which is rather nice. You can see the shelving there, radiator underneath, but also the boiler. So that is a Worcester Bosch gas-fired combination boiler. You might also notice on the first floor, the doors have been changed with quite nice chrome handles as well. So the main bedroom first of all, so that's this one here at the back. So the rear aspect window, space for more furniture. To the right hand side we've got a range of built-in wardrobes just here. You can see the mirrored door. And I'm just going to step into the room. I'm going to show you the view that we have from the window because it is unusual. Very, very nice. Okay, so that's bedroom 1. Bedroom 2 is at the front, just round here. It's got a built-in wardrobe just on the left-hand side there, as you can see. And again, nice view from the window. Let's just show you that view from here. So whilst there's a single bed, plenty of space for a double bed against that wall there. And then bedroom 3 is this one here. This is the front. Single bedroom. As you can see, it's used as a single bedroom with the window and the radiator underneath. So that's bedroom 3. And then finally, on the first floor, we have the bathroom. Refitted to a really nice standard, nice tiled walls there with matching tiled flooring. There's a heated towel rail there, you can see on the right. Wash basin with vanity drawers underneath. I'm just going to step into the room, spin round, show you the shower because, the bath, because we do have a mixer tap with a shower attachment and then a plumbed-in shower over the top. Nice tiled surround as well. So that's the bathroom. So what I'm now going to do is wander downstairs and let's show you the rear garden. Through the kitchen door here into the garden. First of all, let's just focus on the patio. In fact, I'm going to stand to one side here. So there's the patio, full width of the house. Let's just step backwards here and show you the rear of the house. There's the extension on the right, that's the kitchen. And then now let's spin round and let's focus on the garden. Unfortunately, I'm pointing this towards the sun. Hopefully there's not too much of a glare. Let's just tuck under the trees here. There you go. So let's wander up the garden. Nice long garden, nice mature hedging. Just behind the trampoline there, you might just catch sight of a greenhouse. There we go. And also that takes you to the end fencing, and you can just about see the laurel bush there behind the greenhouse. So that is the rear garden for this house. Really good size. So any questions you might have, my name is Gary. Do call the number on the website and ask to speak to myself. Alternatively, it's the very same number to arrange a viewing appointment. Just remains to say thank you very much for watching.